Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Today, we're looking at 3 essential functions of management: planning, organizing, and coordinating. These functions ensure that businesses operate efficiently, meet objectives, and remain competitive. Planning is the foundation of effective management. It involves setting goals, identifying resources, and outlining steps to achieve business objectives. Without a clear plan, businesses risk making unstructured decisions, wasting resources, and losing direction. A good plan includes strategic, tactical, and operational planning. Strategic planning focuses on long-term goals, such as expanding into new markets or launching new products. Tactical planning involves short to medium-term actions, such as increasing production efficiency or improving customer service. Operational planning deals with day-to-day activities, ensuring employees know their tasks and deadlines. For example, if a clothing retailer wants to increase sales by 20% in the next year, strategic planning might involve expanding online sales. Tactical planning could include introducing promotions or partnerships, while operational planning ensures that stores are fully stocked and staff are trained to upsell. Next, organizing ensures that resources are allocated effectively, tasks are assigned correctly, and teams are structured to meet business goals. A well-organized business ensures that departments work together smoothly, employees understand their roles, and resources are used efficiently. Imagine a restaurant that suddenly experiences an increase in customers. Without organizing resources properly, the kitchen might be overwhelmed, wait times increase, and customer satisfaction drops. But with proper organization, such as hiring additional staff, streamlining the cooking process, and optimizing table service, the business can handle demand while maintaining quality. Coordinating ensures that all departments and teams work towards the same objectives. Managers must communicate clearly, align team efforts, and resolve conflicts to keep operations running smoothly. For instance, if a tech company is launching a new smartphone, coordination is essential between the production team to manufacture the device, the marketing team to create campaigns, and the sales team to ensure availability in stores. Without proper coordination, the product might launch late, or stock shortages could lead to lost sales. In summary, planning sets the goals, organizing ensures the right resources are in place, and coordination brings everything together so that a business runs efficiently. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like, subscribe, and comment. In our next lesson, we'll explore the next key management functions: controlling, monitoring, and delegating.